to the official declaration of your respective teams that you have complied with all the academic and non-academic requirements for graduation prescribed for your respective teams with all the rights and honors, privileges, as well as obligations and responsibilities thereto appertaining to the upon the recommendation of the University's Academic Council as approved by the University Board as per the Board Resolution number 7, Series of 2025. Therefore, as the President of the University of Eastern Province, by virtue of the powers and authority vested upon me by the University Eastern Province Board and by law, I now declare you graduates. Congrats!